the monsoon session of the parliament as well. That got off to quite a turbulent start on Monday as the parliament plunged into disruptions within just minutes of convening, despite the government's assurance of a debate on the key issues. Now, the parliament will also be discussing the Pahalgam terror attack as well as Operation Sindoor. The centre has in fact allotted 25 hours in all for the discussion, 16 hours in the Lok Sabha and 9 hours in the Rajya Sabha. This announcement comes on the very first day of the monsoon session amidst the opposition's repeated calls for a debate on the military action between India and Pakistan and the persistent onslaught that the Modi government is trying to dodge accountability. The centre, though, doesn't seem to be on the defensive. In fact, the evasion line of attack was foiled by the Prime Minister himself and even before the houses actually convened.
ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में भारत की सेना ने जो लक्ष्य निर्धारित किया था 100% अचीव किया। आतंकियों के आकाओं के घर में जाकर के 22 मिनट के भीतर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के तहत उसको जमींदोज कर दिया गया कि देश ने एकता की ताकत देखी है, एक स्वर का सामर्थ्य क्या होता है देखा है कि दल हित में मत भले न मिले लेकिन देश हित में मन जरूर मिले।
The opposition, though, is expected to further up the ante today as they prepare to raise the voter roll revision that is currently underway in Bihar. In fact, the opposition has claimed that they were not even given an opportunity to raise their issues in the parliament on Monday and hence have planned a protest outside the Makar Dwar of the parliament. The opposition was also back to its usual charge that the opposition was not allowed to speak. Rahul Gandhi claimed that while the government voices were given a chance, he was not allowed to speak.
मैं लीडर ऑफ अपोजिशन हूँ, मेरा हक है, तो मुझे तो कभी बोलने ही नहीं देते हैं। तो ये एक नया अप्रोच है। हाँ, सरकार चर्चा तो होगी, अगर वो अलाउ करेंगे तो होगी, मगर इशू ये है कि कन्वेंशन कहता है कि अगर सरकार के लोग कुछ बोलें तो हमें भी स्पेस मिलनी चाहिए। हम 2 शब्द कहना चाहते थे मगर विपक्ष को ये अलाउड नहीं।
He telling a lie. I think so. I was on chair.
Yes, sir.
I have appealed to Rahul Gandhi. Please kindly you ask to your own members to vacate the well and the house should be in the order. Certainly I will allow you.
तो चर्चा करें अगर तैयार हैं। अगर एलओपी को कुछ बोलना है 1 मिनट के लिए तो बोलने देना चाहिए। Adjournment motion. He was not allowed to speak today. He should be allowed to speak. He is the leader of the opposition.
ये भारत की संसद है। यहाँ विधि व्यवस्था, कानून, प्रक्रिया और परंपरा से सदन चलती है। ये राहुल गांधी जी और प्रियंका गांधी जी की निजी ड्राइंग रूम नहीं है। जब चाहे, जिसको चाहे, जिस प्रकार की भाषा से बात तो कर सकते हैं।
Niyamika joins us, and Niyamika, the charge of the opposition was clear, yet again going on to say that they were not allowed to speak, but the government has clarified that there is a process in place and this is what was reiterated in the all-party meeting as well in their appeal that we are ready for discussion, but we must follow the rules of the parliament.
Well, this allegation is nothing new on the side of the opposition, as earlier also we have seen that Rahul Gandhi has made this allegation in the past as well, where he had stated that he is not being allowed to speak within the house, as even after being the leader of opposition, he yesterday also he had made the same statement by saying that I just wanted to speak for 2 minutes, but I was not being allowed, and he has even called it the new approach of running the parliament. But on the other side, if we talk about the government side, then they have also clarified that the house can function as per the rules only, and even Mr. Jagdambika Pal had also stated it clearly that he was asking Rahul Gandhi to ask the other MPs of the Congress party to vacate the bill, and then only he will be able to speak, but that is not being done, and that is the only reason why such kind of ruckus was also being seen within Lok Sabha. But today, if we talk about the strategy of the opposition, then there is a meeting which is being called by the India bloc parties, which is going to be held at 10 o'clock, and after that there is another round of meeting of the Congress party's MPs, both of Lok Sabha as well as of Rajya Sabha at 10:25 a.m. and after that there is going to be a protest to raise the matter of SIR exercise which is being conducted in the state of Bihar. Yesterday, the opposition parties were continuously raising a question upon Prime Minister Narendra Modi, asking him to fix the accountability on the Pahalgam terror attack, demanding that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should come to the parliament. He should speak within both the houses. But today, the issue which they are going to raise is about the SIR exercise. Because it is the allegation which the opposition parties are making that they are not being allowed to raise this matter within the house, and that is the only reason why today they have planned to hold a protest outside the house at the parliament premises. Only this protest is going to be held at Makardwar at around 11 o'clock, where they are going to raise a demand that the SIR should also be discussed within the parliament, because it is nothing but just a tactic on the part of the BJP to do a theft of votes. This is what the allegation which the opposition parties are making upon the Election Commission and the BJP.
But let's take a look at what the opposition has claimed, including Rahul Gandhi, who claimed that he was not allowed to speak. In fact, he said that the defense minister made a statement and rules say that if he speaks, then the leader of opposition should also be allowed to speak. So the opposition might want the people to believe that the centre is actually stonewalling a debate. But is that the truth? Because from the Parliamentary Affairs Minister to the Lok Sabha Chair, from Defence Minister to even the Leader of House in the Rajya Sabha, all agreed with the opposition's legitimate demands.
सरकार तो रेडी है चर्चा के लिए, अपना दम लेकर के आप लोग चर्चा कीजिए, हम वेलकम करते हैं, हंगामा मत कीजिए, मैं अपील करना चाहता हूं।
जिस कक्षा से संबंधित जिस विषय पर वो चर्चा चाहते हैं, जितनी भी बड़ी चर्चा चाहते हैं, जितने घंटे की भी चर्चा चाहते हैं, जैसा भी आपके द्वारा अथवा स्पीकर महोदय के द्वारा तय किया जाएगा, उसके तहत हम चर्चा करने के लिए पूरी तरह से तैयार।
इस हाउस के माध्यम से देश में कहीं ये संदेश नहीं जाना चाहिए कि सरकार पहलगाम और ऑपरेशन सिंदूर पर चर्चा नहीं चाहती। हम चर्चा करेंगे, हर तरीके से करेंगे।
So the government has made it clear that we are ready for a debate. Among the many issues that the opposition has picked up is also the intensive roll revision that has been taken up in Bihar. And it's not just in the parliament. We're seeing the issue also resonate outside the parliament. Not just a protest, but also what the leaders have been claiming. The latest is the West Bengal